We are at DMG. DMG is a cultured stone manufacturer in Georgia. They make extremely high quality cultured stone, and they also make it custom. Thanks to DMG, we experience very good savings in Canada for these kinds of materials that we bring in from Georgia. And they are exactly custom made. What I love most about this company is the fact that they never say no. Whatever we want, Gia, the production manager, he always finds a way of coming up with a new mold, to the point where they've even created a mix that is actually stronger but also lighter, so that when we transport bricks by container, we can actually transport more bricks per container. These kinds of bricks have always been extensively used in the Eastern Bloc countries. They have extreme weather, so they are perfect for our climate in Canada.
Right now we have a full container floating in the ocean going straight to Toronto to be put on Princess Margaret House 2024. As Gia says, first he has to make a matrix model, it's a very creative process, as he describes. He has to make sure the texture is what client wants. He has to make sure the color is what client wants. And then after he makes the texture, he will make the molding. Okay? After the molding process is done, he will make samples to send to Canada for approval. And then after we get the approval, we get the remarks, then we make a new one, which is the perfect one, which we have right now. This is a controlled environment where Gia controls the humidity and temperature of the room. Bricks are curing here at a certain temperature and a certain humidity.
We're really excited about this opportunity because it gives us a huge competitive advantage. You know, when we have to pay so much money on development charges and so much money on taxes, we need to find a competitive advantage somewhere else in Canada, and this is where we're coming. From my point of view, I'm sure other people will find their own other competitive advantages. This is mine. To compensate for high taxes and high bureaucracy and the cost of high bureaucracy, I have to find better suppliers that are cost efficient and the quality is still very high to our standards. And it just looks fabulous. I mean, this is like a marriage made in heaven.